A logo. It's often the first thing people see when they encounter your brand. But what exactly is it? In essence, a logo is a visual symbol that represents your brand. It's a combination of carefully chosen elements like typography, images, colors, and shapes, all working together to create a unique mark that identifies your business. More than just a pretty picture, a logo is a powerful tool that communicates your brand's personality, values, and message to the world. Think of some of the most iconic logos: the Nike swoosh, the Apple, the Coca-Cola script. These logos are instantly recognizable and evoke specific feelings and associations. That's the power of a well-designed logo. It transcends language and culture, creating a lasting impression in the minds of consumers. From ancient symbols used to mark pottery to modern digital designs gracing websites and apps, logos have a rich history. They've evolved over time, reflecting changes in technology, art, and commerce, but their fundamental purpose remains the same: to identify and differentiate. In today's crowded marketplace, a strong logo is more important than ever. It's the cornerstone of your brand identity, the visual ambassador of your business. Just like a house is built with bricks and mortar, a logo is constructed using specific design elements. These elements work in harmony to create a visually appealing and meaningful symbol. Let's explore the key building blocks of a logo typography. The font you choose for your logo can speak volumes about your brand. A bold sans serif font like Helvetica conveys modernity and professionalism, while a flowing script font might suggest elegance and sophistication. The style, size, and spacing of your typography all contribute to the overall feel of your logo. Images and symbols. A picture is worth 1,000 words, and the same holds true for logos. Images and symbols can be powerful tools for communicating your brand's message in a visually engaging way. Think of the Twitter bird, a simple yet effective symbol that represents communication and freedom. Shapes and colors: circles, squares, triangles. Each shape evokes different emotions and associations. Similarly, colors play a crucial role in shaping brand perception. Green is often associated with nature and sustainability, while blue conveys trust and reliability. Logos come in different forms, each with its own strengths and characteristics. Understanding the various types of logos can help you choose the right approach for your brand. 1. Wordmark or logo type. As the name suggests, wordmarks are logos that focus on the brand name. Think of brands like Google, Coca-Cola, and Visa. The success of a wordmark relies heavily on the choice of typeface and its stylistic treatment. 2. Lettermark or monogram. Lettermarks use initials or abbreviations to represent the brand. HBO, IBM, and CNN are all examples of lettermarks. They are particularly useful for brands with long names or those looking for a more concise visual identity. 3. Pictorial mark or brand mark or logo symbol. These logos use a symbol or icon to represent the brand. The Apple, the Twitter bird, and the Target bullseye are all classic examples. Pictorial marks can be incredibly effective in conveying a brand's message in a simple yet memorable way. 4. Abstract logo mark. Unlike pictorial marks that use recognizable images, abstract logos employ abstract shapes and forms. The Nike swoosh and the Pepsi globe are prime examples. Abstract marks offer a high degree of versatility and can be particularly effective in conveying a brand's essence or feeling. 5. Combination mark. As the name suggests, combination marks combine elements of word marks and pictorial marks. This can involve pairing a brand name with a symbol, as seen in the logos for Puma and Lacoste. Combination marks offer the benefit of both visual and textual recognition. A logo is not just a pretty picture, it's a vital part of your brand's identity. It's the first thing people see, and it can make a lasting impression. Think of it as the face of your business. A well-designed logo can build trust and recognition, making your brand stand out in a crowded market. Without a strong logo, your brand might struggle to convey its message effectively. So, yeah, a logo is pretty important. Logos have the power to shape perceptions. They can evoke emotions and tell a story about your brand without saying a word. A good logo communicates your brand's values and mission. It can make your business appear more professional and trustworthy. When people see your logo, they should instantly know what your brand stands for. It's a visual shorthand for everything your business represents. Designing a logo is more than just choosing colors and fonts. It involves research, brainstorming, and refinement. The process starts with understanding your brand's core values and target audience. Then, designers sketch out ideas, experimenting with different concepts. After that, they refine the best ideas, paying close attention to details like balance, color theory, and scalability. Finally, the logo is tested across various mediums to ensure it looks great everywhere. It's a meticulous process, but the result is a logo that truly represents your brand. In conclusion, a logo is a crucial element of your brand's identity. It's more than just a symbol. It's a powerful tool that can influence perceptions, build trust, and make your brand memorable. Investing in a well-designed logo is investing in the future success of your business. So take the time to create a logo that truly reflects what your brand is all about. It's worth it.